This insane roundabout is the perfect introduction for our little adventure in the land of the governorate of Bizerte. I think these birds are called storks in English, which is an horrendous name. They're called cigognes in French. Roundabouts of Tunisia. This roundabout represents local working class women wearing traditional clothes such as the futa or the Meril Fadila. This is the problem. Very Tunisian problem. Bah! Entering the region of Bizerte through the west, you end up seeing this nice little lake and pretty nice mountains. After a few hours on the road, we finally see the mighty mother of all and the beautiful and white Mediterranean. We've reached the final village before the end of Africa. But even after reaching the sea, Ras Angela isn't to be seen yet. Those sand roads, they are destroying my back and the car, but like we say, you don't make omelets without spices. That's the same. If you're seeing my toes, it means one thing. We finally reached Cap Ennghela.
And finally, after a lot of roads, I can present to you the northernmost point on the continent of Africa, Ras Angela. Enjoy. We are right here at the top of the top. And this is actually the top of the top. This is the end of Africa.
But after this little adventure, there was still one thing to do.